What's up guys, here is Sufyan with another vlog. Today I'm gonna tell you finally with my first YouTube income. Here is the brand new car I have bought. This car is BYD car. It's a Chinese brand, and you know the unique thing is this car opened by the card. It doesn't have keys. You have to tap this. Look, it opened. Oh, it got locked. I have to open it again. Okay, here we go. You will come from that side. I will show you from inside the car. So if you enter inside, this one is you start the car from this button. Okay, it got start. And come inside and show this. Come inside. Okay. And look, it can be run by fuel and also with the electricity. Here is the option. It's a hybrid car. The best thing is it can charge by electricity. So if you want to move inside the city, not like 30 kilometers or 50 kilometers, it will run on electricity and it will cost you very cheap. But for the long distance, you can use fuel. Okay. All these options. Okay, let me tell you. This is parking option, but it's a powerful car. Here is the option. Here you can switch this mode. If you switch it, EV. Come, showing. Here is EV. This one is EV now. Here, if we change it to HEV, now it's on HEV. So it's gonna use the fuel. Okay. The another thing is it's a mode option. If you change this one, look, it is a sports option. You can use it to eco, like normally how we use it, and the normal one. Okay. Okay. Let me show you from outside. Come outside. It's all here. We have this one is if we open this one, it's for electricity option. Usually they give the slow charging option. It can be charged in 1 hour, around 1 hour and 30 minutes. It's going to charge fully. Okay. Then it will run around 50 kilometers or 40 to 50 kilometers in a city. And another, this one is for fuel option. And the best thing is this car use around 3 to 4 liter fuel on 100 kilometers. But let me tell you now the truth. Camera टेढ़ा है मुझे लग रहा है. अब बैठ जाओ. But let me tell you now the truth is this is not my car and I didn't get it from YouTube income. I hope inshallah in the future I will have this kind of car. But the thing I'm going to tell you how you can this is basically on rent. I bought it on rent. I don't need to lie about it. But I'm going to tell you how you can rent a car in China as a student. And it's really pretty easy. It's not that much difficult. Everybody can do it. Only what you need to do, you need a license. And if you have a license from your country, you can bring it here. You need to translate your license. And then once you got a translation of your license, you go to police station. And the police station, they will give you license. And it's really cheap. They're going to take, for the translation, it's going to cost you 50 yuan. And for license, when the police will give you license, it's going to cost you around 10 yuan. So around 60 yuan, you're going to get the 1 year license in China. You can get the more one, but you have to pay the more money. But I got for 1 year. I can renew it next year because my real license is expiring on the next year. So this is the process. The next thing is I will show you. You can use, there are 2 apps in China that are used to rent a car in China. You can select the car. I will suggest you to rent a car kind of this, which is hybrid and electricity. There are some cars like Tesla. You can rent those one also, but they're going to cost you much expensive. And if you're going to cost the fuel car, for that, you're going to have to pay a lot of money for the fuel. So best thing is to buy a hybrid car which has electricity. You can charge it. And if you are want to go inside the city or something like that, like me, I'm in a vacation and I want to visit different places in my city. So I booked this car. And around about if you buy for 1 or 2 days, it's going to cost you like 250 yuan to 300 yuan. And if you buy it if you will buy it for 15 days or around, because I bought this one for around 15 or 16 days. If you bought it for like long term, it's going to cost you a bit cheaper. It cost me like something around 900. And the best thing is first time they give you a discount on your first purchase. So you can enjoy that one. So now I will tell you how you can book the car. there are two main apps that you can use. I don't know, Shen Zhou Zu Che or something is Yihai Zu Che, something like that. I will put the pinyin in the description, and you can just copy and paste on the Baidu to install these apps in your phone. And let me tell you now, you can use both of them. I used this one to book this one car. What you need to do, to go here and you select your dates, like it's year, and like it's a month, then it's a date from until when to when. Like you got like this one is Jintian, and from today to until 23 you select this one, and then you search the car. And by the way, this option, if they will deliver car to your place, but usually they are like so close to you, like 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers, you can go by yourself, and they have stations everywhere in the city. So now you can see, don't believe on this what they show you, because it's for 1 day, okay, and you select it for 3 days, and from here you can go. And this one is for fuel, this one is for a hybrid car, and this one is the electric car. If you will select the electric car, you will see electric car there have not too much option, and it's gonna cost you like a really expensive electric car. So best option is like hybrid car, because if you will choose, I told you, if you will choose the fuel one, fuel is gonna cost you. For the fuel you have to pay a lot of money, because the 1 liter fuel in China is 7.5 yuan. Okay, so you're gonna choose the hybrid one that I chose, and now they have this option. I booked this one. Now they have this one option. 155 yuan is gonna cost you, and look, 430 yuan is for 1 day, and 430 total for 3 days. Okay, and fuel, I told you, when I booked this one, it was 1054 kilometers. You can run with the full tank. The capacity of the fuel is 48 liters. So now I have already used half of it. So this is how you book the car. Okay, then you will like definitely book the car. And the thing is, the first thing you have to do is that I got stuck on it. First, do verification on this app. You have to upload your license, driving license on this app, and your passport, and you have to upload your visa also, and your visa should not be expired within the 1 month after like you book this car. And after you get the verification, then you will have chance to don't buy, because I did the mistake. I first booked the car and then I got the verification. It was so hurdle for me. So best thing is first do your verification and then book a car. And the last thing I'm gonna tell you, that they are gonna ask you, guarantee deposit. You have to pay around 5,000 yuan or something more. It depends on the car. If the car is like expensive like this one, you have to pay like 5,000. If the car is more expensive, maybe 7,000 or something like that. But they can give you car if you have somebody guarantor in China. Like if you have any friend and he has really good Weixin Pay score. And the Weixin Pay score is, I'm gonna show you your Weixin Pay score. And every car has its own requirement, because of the if the car is expensive. We're asking for this car around 560, and mine one is 546, so I cannot be a guarantor for this car. In other case, if you don't have the Weixin Pay score, you have to just deposit a money around 5,000 yuan or 6,000 yuan, and they will give you back. It's a kind of insurance kind of thing, because if something happened to car, so they will directly cut that money from you, and they will ask you for more money if there is more dangerous kind of accident or something like that happen. The second thing is, who's gonna be your guarantor in this app? He must have a driving license also, and he will also do verification in this app, and then you can book a car. Kind of little bit difficult, but it's not that much. You can do it as a student. So your brother is always here to help you. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. And this is how you can book car inside China. As being student, it's not a big myth and it's not a big science. Everybody can do it. Your brother is doing, and keep supporting me. Don't forget to subscribe your brother's channel. See you in next video. Bye bye.